Binabash ka ba? Kahit wala ka naman ginagawang mali. So, how to respond to bashers? This is also a comment by Lawrence. Number 1, she said that ignore and live happily. Number 2 is patulan and get affected. Sad to say, no? People just bash for whatever reason. Dahil trip nila, pintasan yung itsura mo, yung kulay mo, katulad nung sa akin, yung eye bags ko. Sabi nga ni Taylor Swift, haters gonna hate. So, as much as you can, by the grace of God and with the support system, don't mind the bashers. Kasi marami naman talaga silang magiging comment, whether what you say, what you look, how you say it. What's important is you continue to add value, encouraging, inspiring people. Especially what you're doing, wala ka naman inaapakan tao. Wala ka naman immoral, illegal, unethical na ginagawa. So, just do it. Marami lang talaga mga opinion ng mga tao.